Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to get loud sound and bass without needing to increase volume in Android smartphones and tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as Eco Equalizer. On the first result, see the application, just click on it. Now click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open. Now you can see our various options here. So here you need to turn it on. Click on give permission, click on allow. So now here you can see a custom options. So under it you can see tons more preset profile. So you can select the already present presets or you can use the custom one. So here I'm gonna use the custom one, and below there is a bass boost and loudness. So now firstly let me try to play one music. So you can see the maximum volume right now, how much it sounds. And now let me show the volume level. So right now I've kept it to this much. So now under this Eco Equalizer application, you can see your loudness. Just click on it. So now just turn it on if it is not turned on. And now just increase it, how much you want to increase. So I'll keep it as 100%. If you want to increase more, then you can just click on this max gain. And under the settings options, you can see your loudness max gain. So maximum you can increase to 30 dB. And click on OK. And there is a bass boost max gain also, so you can increase it 30 dB depending upon your needs. And there is a bass boost frequency also. So right now I will just keep it to 80 Hz. You can increase it up to 150 Hz also. And there are more options in the settings of this applications, so you can check out by yourself. Now just move back. Now click on this bass boost. Similarly, just increase it to how much level you want to increase. So I'll just keep it to 100%. So I've increased both the bass as well as the loudness. So now let me try to play a music again. So now you can see the loudness of the sound as well as the bass has increased more than the earlier using this application. So let me show the volume level again. So you can see I have not increased the volume. So by using this cool application named as Eco Equalizer, you can easily get loud sound and bass without needing to increase volume in Android smartphones and tablets very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.